Hi students, welcome to next session. In previous session up to question number 77 completed. Our next question 78. The number of values of x satisfy the pair of the quadratic equations. First equation x square minus px plus 20 equal to 0. And another equation x square minus 20x plus p equal to 0. Question what? Number of values of x satisfies both quadratic equations. For example, if p value equal to 20, p value 20 you can substitute in the both equations. What will get here? X square minus 20x plus 20 equal to 0. Here x square minus 20x plus 20 equal to 0. If you observe both the quadratic equations, we can get the same thing. So after calculating the solution x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, if you apply, how many solutions we can get? 2 solutions we get. It is quadratic equation. So while simplifying this, 2 solutions we can get. So we don't want that solutions. Why? Because it's asking number of solutions is how many. Suppose if x p is not equal to 0, not equal to 20, then how many solutions we can get? So equate these two. X square minus px plus 20, x square minus 20x plus p. So x square cancel. So terms will be sent the left side. Minus px plus 20 plus 20x minus p equal to 0. So in these two, take x common, 20 minus p. In these two, 1 you can take common, 20 minus p is equal to 0. Take 20 minus p outside. Remaining is common, remaining is x plus 1 equal to 0. But 20 minus p is not equal to 0. Why? Because we taken as p is not equal to 20. So obviously x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1. It is one more solution. So while taking x equal to 20, we got for both the equations is 2 solutions. P is not equal to 20, we got only one solution. So then total number of solutions is how many? 3. So option D is correct one. Option D is correct one. And the next question 79. So from this graph of the quadratic functions and the locations of the roots based on that questions. So 79, for all x belongs to R, if lambda x square minus 9 lambda x plus 5 lambda plus 1 is greater than 0, then lambda lies between what? So here it is completely f of x. If you take from the graph, we studied whenever f of x is greater than 0, whenever f of x is greater than 0, a is less than or equal to, a is greater than or equal to 0 and discriminant is less than 0. The conditions are there in the graph of the quadratic functions. So this is like ax square plus bx plus c form. Here a is what? Lambda. So lambda is greater than or equal to 0. One function. Then d is nothing but the discriminant. b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So b square minus 9 lambda whole square, 81 lambda whole square minus 4 AC 4 lambda into 5 lambda plus 1 is less than 0. Simplify this. 81 lambda square minus 4 into 5 20 lambda into lambda square minus 4 lambda is less than 0. So take lambda is outside. 81 lambda minus 20 lambda is 61 lambda minus 4 is less than 0. So lambda is already greater than or equal to 0 we got. So 61 lambda minus 4 is less than 0. 61 lambda is less than 4. Lambda is less than 4 by 61. So lambda value greater than 0 and less than 4 by 61. Lambda belongs to open interval 4 by 61 comma 0 equal to is there, that is closed interval will be there. So lies between 4 by 61 and 0. Option. From these two conditions, lambda is more than 0 and below 4 by 61. It is closed interval 0 comma 4 by 61. Option A is correct one. So next question number 80. If the least value of f of x equal to x square plus bx plus c is minus 1 by 4 and maximum value of g of x is equal to minus x square plus bx plus 2 occurs at x equal to 3 by 2. Then what is the value of c? So in the standard form, vertex we got minus b by 2a and minus d by 4a. Vertex of standard form we studied f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. In that these are the vertex. So when a is greater than 0, least value means minimum value is at x equal to minus b by 2a. When a is less than 0, the maximum value of that x equal to minus d by 4a. That we studied. Based on that, here x square coefficient a 1 is greater than 0. So whenever a is greater than 0, minimum value of f of x is minus d by 4a. So least value of f of x is minus d by 4a. That equal to how much is given? Minus 1 by 4 is given. 4 cancel. Minus cancel. D equal to a. But from this a value is what? 1. So d equal to 1. D is nothing but discriminant. B square minus 4c equal to 1. That is from f of x. Next g of x. G of x maximum value what they said. So whenever a is less than 0, maximum value will occur at minus b by 2a. So maximum value of g of x is minus b by 2a. That value is how much is given? 3 by 2. Both will be cancelled. Minus b equal to 3a. Minus b equal to a value is minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus cancel. B value 3. This b value 3 substitute here will get c. 3 square minus 4c equal to 1. 9 minus 4c equal to 1. Then 4c equal to 8. Then c value 8 by 4. C value is 2. She is asking value of C only. Option C is correct one. So next question 81. For which of the following graph the quadratic expression y equal to ax square plus bx plus c, the product of ABC is negative? So they given 4 graphs. First graph like this is given. Like this is given, and the second one and third one and fourth one like this is given. Then which of this graph the product of ABC will gives negative? For that A, you can take concave, means the shape of the graph. B is minus b by 2a. So whenever discriminant is 0, so real roots will get minus b by 2a. Based on that, C is f of 0, means whenever y value is 0, then how we can get the graph? Based on that, we will verify the options. Suppose if you observe, concave means shape, upward or downward, we need to see. In the first option, shape will be upward. Whenever it will be upward, A is greater than 0. What about B? Downward, less than 0. What about C? It is also downward, less than 0. What about D? It is upward, greater than 0. Next, if you take suppose C, y value is 0. Y value 0 means positive y axis. First one, it cut on y axis, positive y axis, upward only, it is greater than 0. Next, second one, if you take here cutting negative y axis, that means less than 0. Next, third one where it is cut positive y axis only, greater than 0. And this one where it is cut negative y axis, less than 0. Then what about minus b by 2a? Suppose minus b by 2a in the sense vertex, x vertex, in the vertex x coordinate minus b by 2a. So if you take this one, here will be vertex will be there, minus b by 2a comma minus d by 4a. So, this one vertex and this one vertex and this one vertex, here this one vertex. So in this third quadrant, both B and A are negative. First one, second one, third one and fourth one. In this both are negative only. If you take suppose B is negative, so already minus is there, minus or minus plus. So plus div, it will be greater than 0. If you observe like that, remaining is less than 0 and less than 0, less than 0. Same condition you can apply for remaining 3. So after we got this product of ABC, 3 values product we need to verify. So greater than means positive, it is also positive, plus plus plus. Product of these 3, plus into plus plus, plus into plus plus, it is positive. Next, this one less than 0 means negative, it is also negative, so it is also negative. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, negative. Here this is minus minus plus, greater than 0 means minus into minus plus, plus into plus plus only. This one same thing, greater than 0 plus, less than 0 minus, less than 0 minus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. But we want to get product is negative. Which one we got product is negative? Only option B we got product is negative. That's what the graph of this second graph is correct for according to the given options. So option B is correct one. So next one, 82. If a square plus a minus 2 into x square plus a plus 2 into x less than 1 for all x belongs to R, then a belongs to the interval. So if you observe here, this we can write a square plus a minus 2 into x square plus a plus 2 into x minus 1 is less than 0. This completely f of x. If f of x is less than 0, so a is less than 0 or discriminant is also less than 0. Okay, now a is what here? A square plus a minus 2 is less than 0. Simplify this. A plus 2 into a minus 1 is less than 0. While simplifying this, a square plus 2a minus a is plus a, minus 2 will get. Either it be a plus 2 is less than 0 or a minus 1 is less than 0. A is less than minus 2, a is less than 1. So finally it is minus 2 is less than a, less than 1. So next, discriminant is less than 0. Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac is less than 0. B square minus 4ac. A plus 2 whole square minus 4a square plus a minus 2 into c value minus 1. So minus or minus plus is less than 0. Simplify this. A square plus 4 plus 4a plus 4a square plus 4a minus 8 is less than 0. Simplify this. 4a square plus a square 5a square, 4a plus 4a 8a, 4 minus 8 minus 4 is less than 0. 5 4 20 will be there. 20 we can split 10 2 5a square plus 10a minus 2a minus 4 is less than 0. 5a take common from this 2, a plus 2. From this 2, minus 2 take common, a plus 2 is less than 0. So a plus 2 take out, 5a minus 2 into a plus 2 is less than 0. So 5a minus 2 is less than 0 or a plus 2 is less than 0. A is less than 2 by 5 and a is less than minus 2. So a lies between minus 2 to 2 by 5. Here already we got minus 2 to 1 and minus 2 to 2 by 5. In this 2 by 5 is large when compared to this. A belongs to, so a belongs to minus 2 comma 2 by 5 open interval. Why we need to take here closed interval? If so, for example, x value minus 2 substitute here, x value minus 2 substitute here, what will get when it is c? Sorry, a value because a belongs to na, a equal to minus 2. Substitute in given function, 2 square is 4, minus 2 into x square plus a value is minus 2 plus 2 0 into x minus 1 is less than 0, minus 2 minus 4 plus 4 0, minus 1 is less than 0, negative value is less than 0, true or false? True only. So while taking a value minus 2 also, the equation will be satisfied. That's what at minus 2 we need to take the closed interval. So closed interval minus 2 comma 2 by 5. So option B is correct one. Option B. My next 83 question you can try it directly. Discriminant value you can calculate. We will get the interval. Next 84. Let f of x equal to capital Ax square plus bx plus c. A, B, C are here capital, where A, B, C are real numbers. If f of x an integer, whenever x is integer, if x is integer, x belongs to z, f of x is also belongs to z. Whenever x is integer, f of x is integer. Then which of the following number is not necessarily integer? Out of 4 options, which is not necessarily integer? So first let x belongs to integer. Integer means you can take either 0, positive numbers and negative numbers also. I will take f of 0. Not only 0, you can take any numbers. Wherever x is there, 0 substitute, that is c. F of 1, a plus b plus c. F of minus 1, a minus b plus c. So while taking the integers, f of x also we got the integer na. Now based on that, c is integer. Here c is an integer. Whenever c is integer, given function f of x also will become integer, they said. This is integer, f of 1 is also integer. When it is possible, the value of a plus b is also an integer, because sum of two integers will get again integer only. So c is already integer. Based on that, f of 1 is integer. If you want to become, compulsory a plus b is also integer. Same manner, a minus b is also an integer. So a plus b is an integer, a minus b is an integer. This 2a equal to, we can write like this, a plus b plus a minus b. Without changing the value, plus b minus b cancel, a plus b is 2a only now. Now this is integer, already we know it. A minus b is also integer, we know it. Sum of two integers again is what? Integer only. 2a is an integer. Only concept you should apply, don't be confused. C already integer, we know it. Whenever x is integer, f of x is integer. That we know from the question. So whenever c is integer, it is also become integer. When it is possible, the a plus b is also integer. Like that, a minus b is also integer. So these two, 2a also integer, but which is not integer is asking. If you observe the options, 2a is there, it is integer. A plus b is there, it is integer. C is there, it is integer. Which is not means none of these. Option D is correct one. None of this. Why? Because C, A plus B and 2A, 3 options is given. All are integers only. So D is correct one. Next 85 question. If the equation ax square plus 2bx minus 3c is equal to 0, has non-real roots and 3c by 4 is less than a plus b, then c is which inequality is also there. So simplify this. 3c is less than 4a plus 4b. Also we can write 4a plus 4b is greater than 3c. We'll change it. 4a plus 4b minus 3c is greater than 0. So if you observe the quadratic equation, while x value substituting 2, if x is 2, 4a plus 4b minus 3c equal to 0. This inequality will come if x equal to 2. So what we can get? 4a plus 4b minus 3. That is means f of 2 na. So is greater than 0. F of 2 greater than 0 for x belongs to R. For any real number, the function is greater than 0 in the sense 0, when x is equal to 0 also function is greater than 0. So therefore f of 0 also greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because for any real number f of x is greater than 0. So x value 0 substitute here. What will get? 0 plus 0 minus 3c is greater than 0. Minus 3c is greater than 0. Divide with minus 3, c is less than 0. So the inequality c is less than 0. Option A is correct one. Option A is correct one. And next question, 86. The values of A for which both roots of the quadratic equation a plus 1 into x square minus 3ax plus 4a equal to 0 are greater than the unity or. So here f of x is greater than 0. If f of x equal to 0, a is less than 0 and discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. So based on the condition, a value is what here? A plus 1 less than 0. A is less than minus 1. That one condition we got it. Next D is nothing but a discriminant. B square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. Apply that. 9a square minus 4a plus 1 into c value is 4a is greater than or equal to 0. 9a square 4 into 4a minus 16a into a plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. 9a square minus 16a square minus 16a is greater than or equal to 0. 9a square minus 16a square is minus 7a square. Minus 16a is greater than or equal to 0. Minus a take common. 7a plus 16 is greater than or equal to 0. Divide with minus a. 7a plus 16 less than or equal to 0. 7a is less than or equal to minus 16. A is less than or equal to minus 16 by 7. So a value lies between minus 16 by 7 and minus 1. But here equality is there. A belongs to closed interval minus 16 by 7 comma minus 1 open interval, because here equality is not there. A lies between that interval. Option C is correct one. Option C is correct one. And next question, question number 87. The value of k for which both the roots of the equation 4x square minus 20kx plus 25k square plus 15k minus 66 equal to 0 or less than 2 or less than 2 lies in the interval. So here completely f of x is less than 2. So that means f of x value is less than 0. Then the condition we know it already. Discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. A into f of 2 is less than greater than 0 and minus b by 2a is less than 2. So discriminant is 0, only real root, so minus b by 2a is less than 2 is given. So these three conditions we need to verify that. So we'll see it. First, discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. Discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. B is what? Minus 20k. Minus 20k whole square. 400k square. Minus 4a is 4 only. C 25k square plus 15k minus 66 is greater than or equal to 0. Simplify that. 400k square minus 16. Directly will simplify. 16 into 25 more. 400k square minus 16 into 15. 240. 240k minus into minus plus 16 into 66. Keep like that, don't simplify. Equal to greater than or equal to 0. 400k square minus 400k square cancel. Remaining is minus 240k plus this one. Take minus common. 240k minus 16 into 66 is greater than or equal to 0. Divide with negative, inequality will change. 240k minus 16 into 66 is less than or equal to 0. 240k is less than or equal to 16 into 66. So k is less than or equal to 16 into 66 by 240. Fourth table. 4 4 is 14, 4 6 and 0. Next 6 table, 6 11, 6 10. Next 2 table, 2 2 is 2 5 is. So finally k is less than or equal to 22 by 5. That is the discriminant value we got. Next we will see the minus b by 2a. That we will see later. A into f of 2. A value how much? 4 into f of 2 value. Wherever x is there, 2 substitute. 4 into 2 square root. 4 4 is 16 minus x value 2. 2 into 20, 40k. Here x is not there. Directly we can simplify. 25k square plus 15k minus 66 is greater than 0. Simplify that. 4 into 16 minus 66 minus 40 minus 40k plus 15 minus 25k plus 25k square. Here 16 minus 66 is minus 15. Okay, next multiply with 4. Otherwise we can write like this. 4 into 25k square minus 25k minus 50 is greater than 0. Take 25 common. 25 into 4 is 100. K square minus k minus 2 is greater than 0. Divide with positive number 100 k square minus k minus 2 is greater than 0. This we can write k minus 1 into k plus 2 is greater than 0. So minus k plus 2k. Otherwise k plus 1 into k minus 2. Then k square minus k minus 2 will get. So k plus 1 is greater than 0 or k minus 2 is greater than 0. K is greater than minus 1. That means minus infinity comma minus 1. Union k is greater than 2. 2 and above. This interval we got. Now which interval we need to take, that we need to verify. For that simple thing, last condition minus b by 2a is less than 2 we got. That we can verify. B is what? 20x 20k. So minus b, minus or minus plus 20k by 2 into a value 4 is less than 2. So send this side. 20k is less than 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. K is less than 4 table, 4 4 ja 4 5 ja 4 by 5. But already we got k value is less than or equal to 22 by 5. These two is not equal. That's what only this interval we need to take. While taking 2 and above, this interval we didn't get there. That's what interval is minus infinity comma minus 1 we need to take union. 2 comma infinity is not considering because these two are not equal. If we get same thing, whole interval we need to take, but it's not get same value. So minus infinity comma minus 1 we need to take. Option D is correct one. Option D we need to take. My next question, 88 question you can try it, easy direct one, and 89. One of the root of ax square plus ax plus a plus 1 equal to 0 is less than 1. One root is less than 1 and other root is more than 1. One is less than 1 and other root is more than 1. Then the complete the set of values of a is given by. So whole equation divided with m. Then what will get? X square plus x plus a plus 1 divided by a is equal to 0. One is less than 1 and another one is greater than 1. So if you take it, suppose f of 1, x value 1 substitute, a plus 1, 3a plus 1. So plus 1 is that means positive number only. F of 1 is greater than 0. So obviously another one is less than 0. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus a plus 1 by a is greater than 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus a plus 1 by a is greater than 0. Take LCM, 2a plus a, 3a, 3a plus 1 by a is greater than 0. A take common, 3 plus 1 by, otherwise we can do one thing, 3a we can take common. Here 3a plus 1 is greater than 0. 3a is greater than minus 1. A is greater than minus 1 by 3. Thus according to that, a belongs to minus 1 by 3, comma, which number we need to take? We'll see the options. So minus 1 by 3 and 0 will be there. So 0 if you take it, 0 not included. In between that, suppose minus 0.9 if you take it, it is positive negative, positive, positive. So plus into minus, minus, minus plus minus, minus plus minus, negative value will get, that will be satisfied. 1 by 2, if you observe, one more thing is 1 by 2 is there, that positive values we get. Even though if you take f of 1 is less than 0, you will get to negative number only. A is less than minus 1 by 3 only will get. We didn't get the positive number. That's what we need to take this one. So option C is correct one. Option. So next one, ma. Question number 90. The possible values of p for which graph of the function f of x equal to 2p square minus 3p tan x plus tan square x plus 1 does not lie below x axis. So when below x axis discriminant value is less than or equal to 0, above x axis discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. So let us take, put tan x equal to t. So f of x equal to 2p square minus 3pt plus t square plus 1. In terms of t, then you can take f of t. Okay. Now below the x axis discriminant value is less than or equal to 0. Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac less than or equal to 0. 9p square minus 4a is 2, c is t square plus 1 is less than or equal to 0. 9p square minus 8t square here small correction, t square minus 3pt plus 2p square plus 1. Now this is like x square plus 2bx plus c form. Okay na? Now discriminant is greater than or less than or equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is less than or equal to 0. b square 9p square minus 4, a value 1, c is 2p square plus 1 is less than or equal to 0. 9p square minus 8p square minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. 9p square minus 8p square is p square minus 4 square is 2 square is less than or equal to 0. We know the formula for x square minus a square is less than or equal to 0. X belongs to closed interval minus a comma plus a. So based on that, p belongs to closed interval minus 2 comma plus 2. In this interval any number is there, p we need to check, but options 0, 4, 3, 8. 4 is not there, 3 also not there, 8 is also, 0 will be the option. P equal to 0 we need to take. Option A is correct one. According to the interval only 0 will be exist. Next 91 you can try it, ma, very easy question, and 92 will do. 92. If the equation 2 power 2x plus a into 2 power x plus 1 plus a plus 1 equal to 0 has roots of opposite sign, then the exact set of real values of a. Opposite sign f of 1 is less than 0 in the sense f of 0 is greater than 0. You can take any one condition, ma. Suppose f of 1 is greater than 0, f of 0 is less than 0, you can take it. Okay, from that we'll see first one. This you can write 2 power x whole square. This 2 power x into 2, 2a into 2 power x plus a plus 1 equal to 0. So let us take 2 power x equal to some t. So implies t square plus 2at plus a plus 1 is equal to 0. First f of 1 equal to 0. Sorry, f of 1 is less than 0. Wherever t is there, substitute 1. 1 plus 2a plus a plus 1 is less than 0. 3a plus 2 is less than 0. 3a is less than minus 2. A value is less than minus 2 by 3. That is f of 1 is less than 0. Opposite, so you need to take f of 0 is greater than 0. Wherever t is there, 0 substitute. 0 plus a plus 1 is greater than 0 and a plus 1 is greater than 0. A is greater than minus 1. So a is greater than minus 1 and a is less than minus 2 by 3. A belongs to minus 1 comma minus 2 by 3. Open interval both. Option B is correct one. Next 93 question. If alpha plus 1 by alpha comma beta plus 1 by beta are zeros of f of x equal to 0 is nothing but the roots of f of x equal to x square minus 5x minus a, where alpha comma beta belongs to open interval 0 comma infinity. So alpha beta value we need to take the positive numbers only. There, that is the meaning. So 0 is not included, means from starting 1 you can take up to infinity. That is alpha and beta values. Now then the complete set of the values of a. Complete set of the values of a. Here, so whenever positive number discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. If you take suppose alpha is 1, because positive numbers only said na, 1 plus 1 is 2, beta is 1 plus 1 is 2. So more than 2, these roots will be satisfied. That's what compulsory alpha plus beta is greater than or equal to 2 and beta plus 1 by beta is also greater than or equal to 2, roots will be satisfied. So that's what f of 2 is also greater than equal to 0 will satisfy that. So next discriminant calculate here. Discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. 25 minus 4 into minus a plus 4a is greater than or equal to 0. 4a is greater than or equal to minus 25. So a is greater than or equal to minus 25 by 4. So another one, f of 2 is greater than or equal to 0 because both roots is more than 2. Wherever x is there, 2 substitute. 4 minus 5 into 2 minus a is greater than or equal to 0. 4 minus 10 minus a is greater than or equal to 0. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Minus a is greater than or equal to 0. Minus a is greater than or equal to 6. Divide with negative. A is less than or equal to minus 6. But a is greater than or equal to minus 20 by 4 come. Because therefore a belongs to closed interval. In this two, which is maximum number? Minus 6. So minus 6 and minus 25 by 4. So minus 25 by 4 comma minus 6 is the option. Option C is correct one. So next question 94. So 94th question. ABC are the geometric progression if the roots of the equation ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0. Alpha comma beta are the roots. And another one cx square plus 2bx plus a equal to 0. Gamma comma delta are the roots. If you observe this here, middle term 2bx is same, extreme values is interchanging, means roots are reciprocal. So from this alpha equal to 1 by gamma, beta equal to 1 by delta. Roots are reciprocal. Otherwise interchange you can take. Gamma equal to 1 by alpha, delta equal to 1 by beta you can take. Sum of the roots minus 2b by a. Product of the roots c by a. So a alpha c by beta. A alpha equal to c into 1 by beta, what we can write? Delta. Since 1 by beta equal to delta from the roots. So this is one condition we got. The same thing, gamma delta product a by c, because roots product a by c. So a gamma equal to a by delta. A gamma equal to a into 1 by delta, what we can write? Beta from this. So a gamma equal to a beta, equate this to a alpha equal to a gamma equal to a beta equal to c delta. Verify the options. A alpha equal to a beta equal to c gamma equal to here c we are sending here. C gamma equal to a by delta. C gamma equal to a into 1 by delta is beta. Now equate this. A alpha equal to a beta equal to c delta equal to c gamma. Verify the option. Option C is correct one. Question number 95. Let alpha and beta. Alpha is less than beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 if limit extends to m modulus ax square plus bx plus c divided by ax square plus bx plus c equal to 1, then what is the condition is asking? Limit extends to m, substitute modulus am square plus bm plus c divided by am square plus bm plus c equal to 1. Denominator value send right side. Modulus am square plus bm plus c is equal to am square plus bm plus c. So modulus is positive in the sense obviously the function is greater than 0 plus c is greater than 0. That means f of m is greater than 0 if a is less than 0, a value less than 0. If you take a is negative from the graph of the quadratic function, we studied any value lies between roots. Whenever coefficient of x square is less than 0, the value lies between the roots. So a is less than 0, m lies between alpha and beta, that is alpha is less than m, less than beta. So if a is greater than 0, value does not lies between alpha and beta, m does not lies between alpha and beta, that means more than the second root, m is greater than beta, that is meaning of that, more than the roots. So if we verify the options which will be satisfied, that we need to check. So a is less than 0, any option is there in the fourth option, but m is what lies between alpha and beta, but according to the option whenever a is less than 0, m is greater than b is given, so that fourth option is not satisfied. Next, a is greater than 0, if you take modulus a by a value, if it is a greater than 0 means positive, a by a value 1, that we can say satisfy, and m does not lies between alpha and beta, m value is greater than beta. So verify the option, which option is correct. Option C is correct one. Option C is correct one. And next question, question number 96, you can try it, very easy question. And 97, if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, equal to 0, then the roots of the equation a into 2x plus 1 whole square minus b into 2x plus 1 into 3 minus x plus c into 3 minus x whole square equal to 0. So question is, if alpha comma beta are the roots of this equation, what are the roots of this equation is question. So here whole equation divided with x minus 3 whole square, whole equation. So a into 2x plus 1 whole square divided by x minus 3 whole square. Here x minus 3, if you want to get, take minus common, so minus or minus plus b into 2x plus 1 into x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 whole square plus c into, because of square also we can write x minus 3, 3 minus x minus 3 both are same because of square. So x minus 3 whole square, x minus 3 whole square cancel, 1 is equal to 0. Now a into 2x plus 1 by x minus 3 whole square, a square by b square, we can write a by b whole square, plus 1 square, 1 x minus 3 cancel, b into 2x plus 1 by x minus 3 plus c equal to 0. They said already alpha and beta are the roots of this function, that means either alpha value or beta value directly satisfy this equation. So let alpha equal to 2x plus 1 by x minus 3 and beta also 2x plus 1 by x minus 3. Simplify this, in terms of x you can write x alpha minus 3 alpha equal to 2x plus 1. Collect x terms one side, x alpha minus 2x 3 alpha plus 1, take x common, is equal to 3 alpha plus 1. From this x is 3 alpha plus 1 by alpha minus 2. In the same manner, same function while simplifying, in terms of beta also will get same thing, 3 beta plus 1 by beta minus 2, because same function in place of alpha and beta is there while simplifying similarly. So now these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. One is 3 alpha plus 1 by alpha minus 2. Another one is 3 beta plus 1 by beta minus 2. So verify the option. Which option will satisfy that? 3 alpha plus 1 by alpha minus 2, 3 beta plus 1 by beta minus 2. Option B is correct one.